Meher always dreamed of adventures beyond her quiet village. One evening, as orange flames streaked the sky, a messenger rushed in, breathless. The neighboring kingdom was ablaze, and the royal treasure, rumored to grant wishes, had vanished. Only a brave heart could solve the mystery. Everyone's eyes turned to Meher, who hesitated, but curiosity won. She set off, cloak trailing, her loyal dog Tara bounding alongside. A thick forest separated her from the ruined kingdom. Shadows danced, and whispers curled among the trees. Suddenly, a masked figure appeared, blocking the path. Tara growled. Meher asked, "Who are you?" The stranger laughed and tossed her a riddle. To find what's lost, seek not the gold, but the one who glows in darkness. As Meher entered the burning city, the heat pressed down, streets deserted save for flickering flames. She remembered the riddle. Searching for anything unusual, she spotted an old lantern glowing intensely in a ruined house. Inside, an elderly woman awaited, her eyes bright. "You're Meher, the brave. The treasure isn't gold, it's hope. The kingdom burned because greed blinded us." Suddenly, the masked figure reappeared, removing the disguise. It was the missing prince. He'd hidden the treasure, hoping someone pure of heart would restore it. Meher urged him to speak to his people. Together, Meher, Tara, and the prince addressed the crowd amidst the smoky ruins. Meher declared, "Hope is our real treasure. Rebuild with kindness." The flames were doused not by water, but by the spirit revived within the kingdom. Meher returned a heroine, her village bustling with pride. Yet, she knew adventures waited just beyond the horizon, where even burning mysteries could ignite change.